Welcome to the new one. So in this video, what we are gonna do is gonna be store currency conversion. So basically, depending on a country that you operate in and sell your products in, you're going to have a main store currency. So for me, that is euro. Really depends for you. You can go with US dollars, Australian dollars, whatever you want, New Zealand dollars, but I'm based in Europe, so I'm just gonna go with euros. However, what I want to do is that when the customer comes from USA, I want them to see prices in their local currency. You know, it's just gonna be easier for them. So what we need to do is to set up that based on the IP address of a customer, the product prices automatically get converted to their currency. So for that one, we're gonna use another app and it's called Bucks. It looks like this, okay, like blue icon. So just gonna click on it. We're gonna click install. Again, install. It's gonna take some time, but just wait for it to load up. And we can totally go with a free plan, okay? Awesome, so right now it is active. And we're inside some kind of a dashboard, so we're just gonna click on settings and it's gonna look like this. So basically here you do have an option to select currencies. Pre-selected are those four, but I'm just gonna click on select all. So it's gonna select all of those. Yeah, just for some reason I can't scroll down, but it's pretty much every single currency out. Oh yeah, you can see like all of them. Auto currency switch, it's gonna be on, and we definitely want to keep it on as it is. And show currency symbol, I like to do with it as well. Really depends on your, really comes down to personal preference, but that's just how I like to have it set up. I'm gonna click save again. And for the design, what I don't like is this floating flag, you know, so I just want that the currency gets automatically converted and I don't want, you know, customers to have to do it manually. So I definitely want to get rid of that. So I'm gonna scroll down. Oh, where are you? Not here, that's just design, display here. On the currency selector box, I'm just gonna turn that off on the desktop and turn off on the mobile devices as well. And just gonna click save and turn on. So right now the app status is on, but also we need to activate the extension. So I'm gonna click on that one, and on here on the left side, just gonna click on here. And this protection widget, I didn't use it. That's for the track it order page. So I'm just gonna keep that one off, and we're gonna click save. Awesome, and it's all good. Right now, if somebody comes from, I don't know, let's just say from England, they're gonna see store prices in British pounds. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.